Okay, I'm back. Now, this little screw here, this would be a T10. And remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And once this piece comes off, that's it. See? That's it. So, this is a T10. This spot comes out right there. You get your 2 bolts. This part right here is a little plastic clip that pops out. This is normally your pull handle. And what I mean by pull handle is I mean this. Now, I'm not going to reuse this. The motor's still good on this. This part was what was broken. You can put a flathead screwdriver in there to check it. I sprayed mine down and everything else, and she just wanted it to be a B word. So, now I'm just going to pause this because I need a Phillips, because it's not a T10, it's a Phillips on my other one.